What's going on, guys? It's Greg here, aka New York Prepper. Just wanted to give you guys an update on this freak winter storm we're getting here in north central Pennsylvania in April. It's the day after Easter 2022, April 18th. It's 3 in the afternoon right now. And look at all this snow, guys. I mean, this is just crazy for the second half of April, and they're saying we're supposed to get a few inches of snow, but look at these conditions out here, guys. It's basically whiteout conditions almost. The visibility is extremely poor. Look at that, guys. The snow is coming down really, really hard. And actually there you can see my neighbor's horse over there. And some of you guys have commented and said that the horse should be inside. That horse does have a barn, so it's just that I guess it chooses to stay out. But look at all this snow, guys. This is April, not January, April. Just look at that visibility. Just absolutely crazy, guys. I actually love snow, as some of you guys might know, so for me this is actually really cool to see, and I'm actually happy about it. But I mean, the grass was starting to grow a little bit. Look at the grass was starting to grow over here. That's good for me. I won't have to mow it for a little while longer. And here's my car, guys. It's got about, I don't know, half an inch of snow on it already. And the temps dropped a lot in the last hour or so. It was like 41 degrees this morning. Last night it was in the 20s. And just in the last hour or two, it's like dropped, I don't know, almost 10 degrees. Now it's like in the low 30s. You could see the snow is sticking to the ground. These roads are going to be really icy in a little while. Check that out, guys. Look at all this snow. This is just crazy. I'm just happy that it's snowing because I won't have to mow the grass for a little while longer because the grass was starting to grow. Look at how green the grass is here, guys. The grass was starting to grow. It was in the 70s on Friday. Last Friday it was in the 70s, and right now it's 32. So, but look at this, guys. And if you remember the first update I did, you could see how much less the visibility is now. Remember I was showing you guys that tree line? The tree line back there is about 500, maybe 700 yards away. And now you can't even see it. So the visibility has just reduced dramatically. It's basically like whiteout conditions here. I mean, you're looking at visibilities of maybe a quarter a mile or less even. So it's pretty crazy. Wanted to just give you this update. I'm going to keep updating you guys throughout this storm. We're supposed to get a couple of inches. We're under a winter weather advisory here. And some areas in upstate New York, they're supposed to get a foot. In the Catskills and the Adirondack Mountains, they're supposed to get a foot of snow, which is just crazy. But anyway, just wanted to show you the conditions here. If you guys have to drive in this weather, just take it slow. You might not be used to driving in the snow because it hasn't snowed in a couple weeks. So check that out, guys. It's just crazy.